Puerto Vallarta. It is a fantastic day here. It is sunny. It is warm.
It's a good day. It's a great day. It's gonna be a wonderful day today. Y'all, today is action-packed. I mean, just how John and I like. We just like to keep rolling and like never sleeping, waking up early and just going at it. So today we're gonna ride something. Today we're gonna walk some things. Today we might swim in some things. Today we are gonna eat some things. It's a day that you want to come.
It's a sea safari.
It's a safari. Not like in the Sahara Desert. It's the safari, Mexico style. It's gonna be a good time. I'm excited. Are you excited? I'm excited. You can be excited.
I'm excited. I just woke up, guys. But let's get going.
All right.
Hello, guys.
My name is Angel. I will be your angel. I already told you guys, whatever you guys need, just let me know all the time, okay? Any question, any problem, with me all the time. Perfecto, so now, we're gonna visit two beautiful places from here, from Puerto Vallarta. The first one is gonna be Jalapa, the place where the bad vibes goes away. On this beautiful place, we're gonna have a lot of activities for you guys. We're gonna have some horseback riding, we're gonna have some beautiful waterfalls for you guys, and then we're gonna have some snorkeling on this beautiful place.
Going fast.
This beautiful place is Jalapa. The only way to get in here is just by boat or swimming from Puerto Vallarta. That's it. All right?
What a ride.
Wow. Let me just tell you, John and I did this one really well. We wore our water shoes because we learned from last time.
Safety first.
All right. So we rode a camel. We rode a boat. Today, we ride a horse.
Or a mule. But not a dime.
We're riding something. If you come here, you know, every single time we're gonna go somewhere, we're gonna ride something. Today, it's in the form of a horse mule thing. We'll see what's gonna go on. But let me just tell you, that boat ride on the way here, John, a little bumpy, a little scary.
Very bumpy. Definitely a thrill.
I may have screamed just a little bit. It was a good time though.
All the time, get in the stomach and send me some kisses. That's the way you're gonna say. Let's go. Okay?
How you doing?
You know.
So you prefer the mule or the camel?
I think I prefer. It's so pretty.
Woo. Man, my hips are sore.
That was a ride. I'm tired. I didn't do any work. It did all the work, but I'm tired. All right, so we we just had an adventure hopping up on the boat, but we took like a 1-minute ride over just to the side, and now we're gonna hike to a waterfall. Now the waterfall, he said the hike is only like a 5-10 minute hike, so I'm not too worried, but we'll bring you along. I'm excited for some amazing views, aren't you?
Always, always.
All right, got our walking shoes on, let's go. So we just made our hike to the waterfall. Our tour guide kept saying we were 5 minutes away, and then we were again 5 minutes away. But it was a good time. Definitely encourage you, wear some form of tennis shoes when you come up here, because they do have dogs, they do have horses that come through, so you're gonna have some animal remnants on the ground. But when you come up here, the waterfall is beautiful. Get in the water, put your feet in the water, it helps you cool down. Make sure you bring some water while you come up here, because you're going to want to hydrate. And this is for everybody. The bathrooms do cost up here, so if you get the chance to go to the bathroom for free, do it.
If you guys want, you can have a seat over here. I'm gonna talk about this beautiful town, so you should have a seat on this place, alright? All people living in this town. Remember, only 1,500 people. The persons, they survive at 3 different important factors over here in this place. The first one is the fishing. Every morning, you guys gonna see more than 20 boats, speedboats, going to open ocean. Fishing some mahi-mahis, like tunas, bonitas, all kind of fish.
Moved on to a different part of, well, it's a different beach, and we are going to be having some delicious Mexican buffet style lunch. You ready? You hungry?
I'm hungry. I feel like, you know, hopping in and out of this boat has been the thing that's been working on my appetite. I'm hungry.
Let's go eat.
Have your lunch right now. I just recommend you free hands, because with one hand we're gonna be holding the plate, and with the other one your food. Okay, remember what I said in the morning? I just don't want to see a quick mountains on the plate, and everything is gonna be okay.
Dymon has her hands full at the moment. Lemonade, bunch of food. This is great. Beachfront.
Huh? It's very good. The food's good. Worked up an appetite. I'm hungry. I'm gonna get my grub on. John made a friend. Wow. You got some big claws, dude. Oh man, you're getting all of it. Oh, okay. We're getting too close. Oh, look at this sad. Are you sad? You look so sad. It looks sad.
Well, we saw, we did, we ate, and now we're leaving.
We sure are, and it's actually a pretty long trek back. I'm a little bit nervous because the ocean's moving a little much, but I've had a really great time. This excursion definitely gives me a 10 out of 10 vibes on it, and I don't do that quite often. But we tried fishing. It was a no-go. We almost fell in the ocean, but it was a good time. John, did you have a good time?
It was a good time, and I agree with Dymon. It was a 10 out of 10. Highly recommend this excursion, the Sea Safari.
Hidden beaches and snorkel.
It will not disappoint you.
We didn't snorkel though. John and I didn't snorkel, and it's just because we couldn't. The group went, but we just couldn't snorkel. But if you can, do it. It's a good time. People enjoyed themselves. So you get a chance, do this excursion. But we're getting ready to head back to the ship, and we'll see what happens when we get back to land, pretty much. So it's gonna be 45 minutes for us, but it's gonna be like 2 seconds for you guys. So we'll see you soon.
Talk about rough seas. But it
Guys,
was fun. It was a thrill roller coaster ride.
that's what I was about to say. I've always wanted John to take me to amusement park. He did it all today.
Yep.
Took me to an amusement park. It took me to ride a horse. John's horse was very stubborn, and
It was
then
a mule.
A mule. That's true. His was a mule. Mine was a horse. Mine got in front of him, and then I was like smooth sailing. But the waterfall, the hike, the beach, everything was just so nice. I had a blast. I know John had a good
The
time.
food was very, very good. No
Yeah.
complaints there.
I will say though, for food tonight though, John and I are missing the MDR because dinner is here soon and we're still off of the ship. So we're probably gonna have to find something else to do tonight. We might check out what the buffet has. We might go and see if we can get anywhere else. But we'll take you along with us. I do know one thing though, John.
What's that?
We're gonna go see the live band tonight. They're supposed to have a really good set.
We are.
Yeah. So follow along with us. It's a great time. We gotta get cleaned up because I'm grimy. There's sweat, there's sunscreen, there's dirt, horse, I don't know, everything. I need a shower. Let's go.
Well, guys, we're back on the ship. We're ready. Dymon. She looks like a diamond. Look at that.
I'm shining today. Shining. No, okay, let's be honest. John says I take way too long to get ready, but I mean, guys, let me just give you a tip. Let your ladies take as long as they can. I mean, I would say like an hour tops, but let them take a long time so they can get ready, so they can feel refreshed. Because I feel great, I feel ready to go, because after that excursion, I was tired, I was beat. But taking a shower and sprucing up, I'm ready for the night, John.
That's right, and we are here at the
Seafood shack.
we're at the seafood shack, and we
Yes.
just ordered a pound of lobster and a pound of peel and eat shrimp. So we'll let you guys know how it is, how it tastes.
And then after this, I think it's the band. So it's gonna be a good night. So we're here at the seafood shack, and as Sean said, that we grabbed some food. We also grabbed some salad from the salad bar, just because I like to have a salad with all of my meals. And then the peel and eat shrimp, I just got through peeling off some of the shell and the seasoning on it. Grade A, immaculate, so good. And then I haven't tried the lobster yet. John's getting the lobster, but he also wanted a side of fries, so that's what he's gonna go grab. But so far, great stuff. Awesome place. And we have a beautiful, beautiful view of Puerto Vallarta. So enjoying a nice meal, a relaxing meal, and then filling our stomachs. Pretty much, yeah, that's what's going on. It's a good time.
The aftermath. This was a great lobster dinner. Don't you think?
It was a good idea. Very, very good idea.
We also have a great view of Puerto Vallarta.
I'm sure they
Kind of
just-
romantic. Maybe?
Sure. Romantic.
Romantic.
Romantic. Right, y'all. So we are on deck 10, the Lido deck, and there is apparently a deck party going on. So we're gonna go and check that out. Band was amazing, but there's a party going on. There's some dancing, there's good music. You gotta come see what it is.
Turn it up.
Puerto Vallarta Carnival Panorama. It's been a great, fantastic day, fun-filled. Would you agree?
I would say it was a long day. And sometimes when people say it's a long day, it's a bad day. But for us, a long day was a good day. It was action-packed. It was a lot of fun. We rode many animals on this cruise. But it's been a great time. I told John that this is one of the cruises that we've had the best excursions on. And it may have been excursions we've done before, but they've been a blast, and being on the ship has been very relaxing. So if you've never booked a cruise vacation, we encourage you, go try it, go do it. It's gonna surprise you, and you're probably gonna get addicted, because after you go on one cruise, you're gonna go on another. But I think tonight we're gonna call it an end, right, John?
That's it. It's a wrap. We're done.
Man, I forgot what your name was. What's your name?
My name is John.
And my name is Dymon. Go on a cruise,
and have a good time.
We'll see you guys soon.